Hello there.
I had no idea you were coming.
You guys aren't even invited. How rude. Welcome to our 1950s desert home. So a little bit about this house. This house was made in the 50s and it just has absolutely wonderful character to it, and I appreciate that so much. There's some gorgeous brick walls, which on a lot of the house they've painted it white, which I really like, but then in here they kept the original red brick. This room, its coziness and darkness we were able to utilize because something that was really important to me was a place that we could watch movies. So we give you movie room.
The movie room. We've kind of turned this into our music room as well. It's kind of a place you go when you're in your vibes and you're looking for a dark place to jam out. It provides a good place for movies and to have a moody afternoon.
This Arizona poster right here is seriously so cool. It's from a website called Neighborhood. It almost reminds me of like a Hollywood movie poster. Maybe it's just the dimensions of it, but it's perfect for the movie room. Welcome to the kitchen. This is definitely where we spend the most of our time, whether we're just cooking, eating, talking, singing, and annoying the neighbors on accident.
We love this room. Kitchen. If you come over to our house, there's a good chance we'll just keep you in the kitchen the entire time.
Probably.
Because that's the only place we're really, truly proud of.
A couple of our favorite pieces in this house is this table and chair set from a place called AZ Modern. They like refurbish old furniture. I was worried about getting a table, and then when I found this table and chair set, I knew it was what we should go with because, I mean, the table's perfect, it's bright, it's white. The chairs are also super comfortable, and it's a place that you can sit and want to be for a while.
We splurged on this plant, which, by the way, it's dying. So
yeah,
if any of you know what may cause this type of plant to die, also if any of you know what type of plant that even is.
The rug is from World Market, and we really like it. It's like a blue and pink kind of Persian rug, which is nice. I feel like it goes with Tucson and the West.
Welcome to the bedroom. It's where we sleep. The whole idea with the bedroom was just to make it just a place of solitude and a place where you'd get really sleepy. And to be honest with you, I'm getting really sleepy right now, which is why I'm laying down. So it's working. Everything in here is soft. Everything in here is muted. You walk in and you're like, dude, we're either going to bed or we're watching TV, but productivity dies in this room.
This lamp on my side of the bed is one of my favorite lamps ever, and it's just from Goodwill, I think. The bedspread and the pillows are all from Target. Another thing that we got to make this room super cozy was this wool rug from World Market. It's like the oatmeal wool rug, and when you walk on it, you feel like you're walking on a cloud. We did make the controversial choice to put the TV in the bedroom. Coming from an apartment, I wanted a small space to just be my place of refuge. I think it's helped make this room just kind of feel like a sanctuary. I really wanted to have a place in the house to display some photos from our engagement and our wedding. So right up here, I have a picture from our engagement day, and then down here, a photo of our wedding day. And I love these photos. I love that they're in black and white, so they're kind of cohesive. This is a super cute little wooden box that I got from an estate sale. I love it because it looks like it would be really expensive from like a Pottery Barn, but it was literally $3 because it just looks like a big button, like a big little wooden button. All right, can we film this now? Can I come in?
Yeah. Oh, wait, hey, whoa! Welcome to the bathroom. This is truly where we get business done.
The funny part about this house is that it does have a master bathroom, but we only use this bathroom because that toilet broke like right when we moved in, and we just have never trusted the toilet since. I love this bathroom. I think it's so cute. I love the tile and how it's like a light green, like a seafoam color. I think the sink painting is kind of funny. It's very charming. Russell, stop. Russell likes to get into the trash. So.
He looks so mad you told him to stop.
Well, he knows
Zoom in
that.
on his face.
He knows he's not supposed to eat the trash.
Not happy.
Thank you guys so much for joining us on this tour of our house. I hope you guys liked it.
I do have a game to catch, Fortnite, if you're wondering. Catch me on Twitch.
No, stop.
We gotta go.
We game, but it's not that bad. It's not that bad.